Welcome to Nizimax. Today we are learn about FIR. What is an FIR? FIR is information about the cognizable offence given to a police officer and reduced to writing as required by section 154 is called the first information report. Actually, the word FIR is not mentioned in this code anywhere. Here the word first information report is used. The information must relate to the cognizable offence. FIR refers to the first information report. As the name suggests, it is the first written document where the victim gives information about the crime or offence to the police officer. It is written by the police based on the filed complaint. Here, police have the authority to arrest the criminal without any warrant, only on the base of FIR. FIR is the beginning point of investigation. Without an FIR, police do not process the inquiry. Here are main things maintained in an FIR: number of the FIR, place and time of offence, name of the person who files FIR, name or description of criminal, description of complainer. FIR rule. To file an FIR, here are few rules for the complainer and the police officer writing the FIR. It is not necessary for the victim themselves complain about the offence. The FIR can be filed by anyone who is consciously aware of the crime. A police officer has no right to deny to file FIR. If the police officer comes to know about the crime, they too can file the FIR. What is the procedure to lodge an FIR? To register an FIR, the complainer has to follow the below steps. Visit the nearest police station to the place where offence or crime took place. You can give information in both ways, orally or written. If it is a verbal complaint, the authority must turn it into written format. The police authority is responsible to this information on FIR record book. Police authority is responsible to give a copy of the FIR to the complainer. Police will start the investigation as soon as they put the FIR on records. What to do if the police refuse to register the FIR? If you are reporting a cognizable crime and the police refuse to register your FIR, you can make a complaint to a higher ranking officer such as the Superintendent of Police, the Deputy Inspector General, the Inspector General of Police. Punishment of refusing to file an FIR. A police officer refusing to file an FIR is now liable for imprisonment of up to 1 year or fine or both. Thanks for watching.